Fenton with an easy pheasant recipe to make something before your next hunt, or while you're out hunting, or before a big football game or something like that. Crockpot Pheasant Queso. Really easy to make. We've got some black beans here that we've drained and rinsed. We're going to put them in the bottom. Make sure they go in the bottom. Nice layer of that. And then we're just going to start adding other things to it here. And then we're going to put in some grated cheese. We've got about half of it up front. We use 8 ounces now, and we'll finish it off with another 8 ounces later. So let's get this turned on, and we'll see how our queso turns out. All right, we're going to finish this off with just another thin layer of cheese. I've got a mixture of cheddar and some pepper jack in there. You can also use the nacho blend, which gives you what you need. I'm going to put the lid on here, turn it on, and let it get happy. All right, the queso has cooked up. Look at that. Cheese is all melted. We're just going to sort of fold everything together here. Get it one big cheesy mess is the best way to describe it. Don't know if I've said this yet today, but you can never have enough pheasant. You can make this with grilled, pulled, smoked, almost anything you want. You can see blends up very well. If you use the shredded cheese that you purchase from the store, it actually thickens up really nice because there's a coating on the cheese to keep it from sticking, and it looks like a flour or a cornstarch to help thicken it. But thereess our queso. Look at that. Big chunks of pheasant in there. Gotta love that. We got that with some nachos and of course some sour cream, more salsa, and some avocado. There's your pheasant queso.